Hey guys, it's Leo from MarineMax Lake Norman. Wanted to show you this brand new 2025 Scout Boats 215 XSF. Just got this boat in for stock today. You'll see it's in the black hull side. You've got the nice chrome accent stripe here. And then we did do the midnight package on this boat, which is going to give us the black T-top up on the top side. Really sharp look on this boat. Towards the back, you'll notice we've powered this one with the Mercury 200. It's going to give you a really great performance on this 21-foot boat. And then we've also done the ski tow bar up in front of it, which allows you to get some water sports activities on this boat as well. Let's go ahead and hop aboard and check her out in more detail. Hopping aboard this 215 XSF, got a couple notable features here on the transom side. Do have a really good live well in here, useful for storage like we've got it now, or of course for keeping your bait. This boat's also got a couple cup holders back here and plenty of rod holders throughout the whole rail. A couple features on the back side of the boat here is we do have a raw and freshwater washdown. Allows you to hose off the boat super easily, as well as a acrylic block-off door here for your sidewalk through. Kind of keep your pets and kids in the boat. In addition to that, on the back side, we do have this flip-out seat. Comes out really nice, stows away as well, and some great access to your bilge under this hatch here. Really good for servicing your systems. Also a great place to store a couple extra items. Like I said, this boat is the midnight package, so it does come with the black rails here. We have done the igloo cooler down below. You'll see we've got several cup holders and rod holders here as well. This boat also has a storage bag on the underside of the T-top, and the helm position on this 215 XSF is a great place to be. We've got the Lumar knob here on our steering wheel. We've got great access to our controls with digital switching up here. Got a Fusion Audio head unit, C-Star trim tab controls, as well as a wireless phone charger here on your starboard side. With this boat having the 200 Mercury, we do have the digital throttle and shift. It's a very smooth operation for your motor out back. Continuing forward on the port side here, we do have a head compartment on this boat. We have not opted for a head, but one can be added. You'll see we've got the boat cover in there and a couple other items, also where your switching is for your batteries and things like that. Continuing on forward, we've installed the bow table up here. It does stow away very nicely under your front lounger here. It's a great place to use as a fish box or just general storage. So you've got the propeller in there and you've got dedicated storage for your table base as well. Last but not least, up here at the very front, you've got access to your anchor. It's got a dedicated locker in here. It's a good spot to be. And then we've also got a trolling motor pre-wire up here on the port side. So it allows you to very easily install a trolling motor should you decide to do so. If you like this boat and want to come check it out, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, give us a call or check us out at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.